What's up, everybody? I'm not sure y'all can hear me, but today is Thursday. We just got back to work after having multiple rainouts. But today we got back to work, and they tell us that we can't go back to work until we get tested for the COVID-19. So they sent everybody in my job site to this clinic out here in LaPorte to get tested for the virus. So yeah, man, that shit's gonna hurt. I see how they do it. They stick something up your nose pretty deep, man. So I'm gonna try to record as much as I can when I go in there and keep you updated. What's going on, guys? As you guys seen the video, we are laid off right now. They're saying they're gonna call us back in about 2 weeks, a week to 2 weeks. But some's telling me that it's not gonna work as planned. Just from being in this industry for so long, I feel like, you know, they might do some shit like, oh yeah, we're only gonna take half the crew, then we're gonna call y'all back. So I'm gonna use this time off to work on my rig. I'm gonna go change the battery out on my truck. The battery that I have right now is getting kind of weak. So I'm gonna change the battery. I'm gonna also modify a few things in the back. I'm kind of unorganized. I really don't be having time to modify anything on my rig. So I'm about to fix a few things. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do, paint a few things, and just plain work on it. And I'm also try to find some more side jobs. Now that I'm home and have the time for it, I'm gonna try to network and see if I can give me some little side gigs now that I have the time to go and search it. So I hope everything goes as planned. But yeah, man, let's see how this works out. I'm gonna go ahead and start working on my rig. I'll show y'all what I do as I go. As you can see, the back of my rig's all dirty and all messed up. I gotta modify all this shit. I just kind of halfway did it. About to work on my hoosher pull. As you can see, I fucked it up, I ain't gonna lie. I got these holding my leads, but they keep hitting against my tailgate. So I'm gonna cut all that out, and I'm gonna add some of the horseshoes on there. I'm gonna put 4 of them on there for my leads and my extension cord, and I'm gonna repaint that. And also modify some other things on here. Kind of want to do it like my homeboy's ones right here. He has his shit really good, real detailed, and I really like how it looks. But he takes time with his shit. I just halfway do everything, but I'm gonna try to perfect mine a little bit better.
Let me look through it.
That's how it came out. Looks a little better than what I had it, because before I had it facing this way and it was hitting against my tailgate. But it looks a little better. The only downside about this is that if you want to steal my leads, you can easily just hop in the back of my truck and just take them off. You know, before, since they on this side, they'll have to open the tailgate to take it. But it is what it is. We'll see what happens. I live in a pretty safe spot and they have security, so hopefully they don't take it, you know. So right now I'm on my way to North Houston. I have another little side gig that I do, or hobby, I guess. I sell these tungsten holders right here. Somebody hit me up on my Instagram about buying one, so I'm gonna go drop it off to him. I'll show y'all more of what I do, but yeah. Sell these tungsten holders. I make 5-inch and 7-inch full size. So if you're interested on buying one, hit me me up on my Instagram, and I can go drop it off to you. And if not, if you don't live in Houston, I can also ship it off. I shipped off a few already to Florida, a few to Vegas. So if you need one, hit me up. But it feels good to make a little money. It's not much, but it still feels good to be making a little money on the side. Hopefully I get to sell some more. But yeah, man, during these times, you have to be creative on how to make money. And any little money that you make on the side counts. Like I told y'all before, I'm still trying to network and get some side gigs working with my rig. So hopefully I'm able to do that. I'm gonna actually start doing that Monday. Actually took these couple of days to really just spend time with my wife. We work so much that we barely get to really spend time with your loved ones. And I took the last couple of days just to spend some time with her. So that should be our #1 priority. So I'm actually enjoying my time off right now. So yeah, starting Monday though, I'm gonna attack the day. I'm gonna start networking. I'm gonna drop off a few business cards off to a few shops or a few locations that I have in mind that I'm gonna drop my business cards off to. See if I can get some work. Another important thing that y'all can do if y'all just starting out, y'all need to make a good resume.
This is my resume. I really don't use this a lot no more because all the jobs that I have been getting now are all wrecking. But I posted this to get an idea of what a good resume is supposed to look like. On the top left corner, you're gonna have name, your last phone number, email address, and your home address. Then you will have a brief description of what you do, how many years of experience you have, or any other information you could put like education or anything that will help you get the job. On page 2, you're gonna include your work history. What you're gonna do is you're gonna have the name of the company, and as you can see in parentheses, I have rig welder. Now, if you're applying for a rig welding position, make sure that all of your job history says rig welding because they want to see that you're consistent with the field that you're in. I have 2 resumes. One is for rig welding and one is for combo welding, and that's because it's easier to get the job. The recruiters do not want you to see flip-flopping back from single hand to rig welding. Now this is for certain companies, but I feel like this works the best for me. Another thing that you want to include is the dates that you work there. At the bottom, I also include the test that I took to get the job, so whenever they do look at my resume, they can see that I have experience passing these tests. On page 3, I just put areas of expertise, just basically summing up of where I have experience at, from using cranes to the type of welding procedures that I'm certified in, or things that I can do. But you want to be really detailed on whatever you can. For example, I have experience with overhead cranes and forklifts, so it don't have to specifically be about welding. Just show that you have experience in the field. Oh yeah, shout out to the notification gang. I see y'all rocking with me early in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button. I hope for y'all to follow me on this journey. Let's see what happens from here. Hopefully I can get another job. If not, stay positive and let's keep on pushing. See y'all next time.